Hello, good viewers. Let's see how we can solve this radical equation. So the question said we should look for the value of k. So now I want you to stay focused and see what we are going to do. If you are watching the video for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload the new content. So let's stay focused and see how we are going to unveil the code to this value of k. From here we just try to square the both sides. If I square the both sides here, so now this square here, we actually cancel this square. We have what we have k, okay, because k, then we have k over 2, then equals this will be what? This will be 4. Then after that, the next thing we are going to do is that, so we still, because we are going to be solving this, okay, towards the innermost, radical sign, radical. So we are still going to square this and square this, because whatever you do to the left hand side, you have to do it to the right hand side. So therefore you can see that this square will affect everything here. So this one will be k squared, but this square we cancel this square root here. We have multiplied by k, square root of k over 2 equals this way what? 16, because 4 square is 16. So now we move further. So we can see now that what we can still do is k times k will give us k raised to power 3. But before that, so we still have to square again. Squaring this again, what are you going to have? This k will affect this. We are going to have a k, 2 times 2 we have 4 dot. This k will affect the k here, we have k. Then this square we cancel out the square root. We are going to be having k over 2 equals. So what is 16 square? So 16 square is what? 256, right? So now from there, the next thing we're going to do is, so now we try to multiply through by what? By 2. So that from there we're going to be having k plus 4 plus 2 plus k here is having 1 here. We have 1, that is from the law of indices. Then these 2 we multiply this 2 times 256. Okay, so what we use here is when you have a, okay, times b, that is a to power k, b to power l. So this is going to be a, so this will be a2. So a it is going to be ak plus l. That is what we use there, right? So now from there, so we're going to see that we have k to power 7 equals what? 2 times 256, that will give us 112. So now from there, the next thing we're going to do is that you can see that this k here, we have to take the seventh root of both sides, that is 7th root of both sides. 7th root of both sides. So now taking the 7th root of both sides, you can see that this 7, we cancel out this one, we have k to be equals, so k will be equals 512 into bracket 1 over 7, that is the power. So from the law of indices, when you have roots, n, okay, and that's going to be n 1 over 2, because this square root is what? This is square root, it turns to 1 over 2, right? So that is what we did here. So we can do something here, because we want to simplify this further. So now I have 512 to power this. So I can split 512, that is 512, to be 128 multiplied by 4, then to power 1 over 7. So now from here, we have what? We have k to be equals. You know that this 128 can be written as 2 to power 7. When 2 multiply itself 7 times, we are going to have 128. Then multiply by 2 to power 2. Then we have what? We have the power 1 over 7. So now we have product power law. Let's say we have a times b, then raised to power n. So this is going to be a to power n, right? Multiplied by b to power n. That is from the law of indices. So we are going to apply that. So therefore we have k to be 2 to power 7 multiplying 1 over 7, right? The power outside, multiplied by 2 to power 2 multiplying 1 over 7. So now from there we have what? We have k to be equals, this 7 we cancel this 7, we have 2 multiplied by, here we have 2 times 1 over 7, this will be 2 raised to power 2 over 7. So what I'm saying is that we have k to be 2 times 2 raised to power 2 over 7. So, and that is the solution to the problem. So therefore we have the value of k to be this. So if you find the class very interesting, so please do not hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.